Do you like this Viking character? I will show you how I make it from scratch in this course. All in real time, and you will be able to completely follow the sculpting of the character from a concept. Basically, you will learn how to sculpt big Vikings with small legs and big swords. My name is Nico, and I'm a 3D character artist and a teacher. I have more than 20,000 students in my courses of Human Anatomy, ZBrush and Blender 3D character creation. In this intermediate course we will make this Viking following the concept of Lauren D. Austin. We will start by analyzing the concept and doing the Viking head. After that, we'll go through the beard, hair and helmet until we reach the torso, arms and legs. When we are ready with the initial body, we will start adding clothes, boots and armors. Then, we will start refining everything we did, so we will make the character ready for 3D printing without thin or separate parts. Then, it will be time to color the character and make some lighting setup and materials. We will also learn how to make a shadow catcher and turntable video at the end. This course is mostly for intermediate Blender users, but if you are a thrill-seeker beginner, you can try it too. So let's do this. Because why? Why should you do this course, by the way? Why? I don't know. If you like the character, if you like my teachings, if you like my bald head, probably that's the reason why you should do the course. And if you like Blender, of course, and character creation. Most important. Yeah, I know, this is not so funny, but sometimes I'm not that funny, so let's do it.